Welcome to Marketing Minute with host Lindsay Skinner. Lindsay will guide you on this amazing business journey. She is energetic and talented. In this video, Lindsay leads an entertaining discussion with Dr. Daryl DrGreen, an insightful marketing guru for today's emerging business owners and entrepreneurs. Let's give a warm welcome to Lindsay with Dr. Green.
Some of the places I would say if you're starting a business, you need to be aware of your competition. That's what's really what most people really don't get into, and that's what I try to teach my students. I try to teach my clients. You need to understand what markets you're pursuing. Is it a favorable market or is it an unfavorable market? It does.
So you find your target market, and
Yes.
that's how you find maybe your niche. Or
Yes, that's true. You find your target market is those favorable buyers that meet your interests, and ability becomes a very important part of that. And that's why I go back to you got to have the character. The other one is people don't buy from people that they don't trust. And so
promote my product. What are some important things I need to do?
okay, so one of the things I would say would be dressed like a chicken.
All right,
And
get the chicken costume.
get the chicken costume because you'll be set apart. Or you'll be going to the police department because they'll think you're crazy. But and I think those things are very, very important. So individuals can contact me at various locations. Again, I gave my website. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Facebook. All those social medias, and we just would love to help America compete. And I think we're living in the world right now, in a world of uncertainty, a world of high risk, and you just can't afford to spend your hard-earned money on something that's not working. And there's a definition of insanity. It's doing the same thing over and over and over again and expect something different to happen. And I believe marketing for professionals can give a very quick read, a very easy read, but it can give a roadmap for entrepreneurs and emerging business owners.